viewers, welcome back. Today I got here the Can-Am Defender, and I'm going to be installing the heavy-duty rear bumper. Let's get to it. In the kit we'll get our heavy-duty rear bumper, of course. 2 plates, 4 bolts and nuts, and if you'd like the paper instructions, go to the website at the top of the page here. To get the paper instructions, I'm going to go to BRP, Instructions. I'm going to enter the part number here. Click the link, and here are the paper instructions. You can print them if you need them. There are already holes going through the frame of the machine. One here and one here on both sides of the machine. So I'm going to take an 8mm drill bit and drill straight up into the box. Now I'm going to place a plate over top and drop a bolt through each hole. Now I'm going to lift the bumper up into place and install the nuts and then tighten them down. And there it is, the heavy-duty bumper on the Can-Am Defender. Make sure all your bolts are tight, and this job is pretty much done. If you found this one useful, drop me a super thanks. It goes a long way to helping out the channel. Hit that subscribe button and click up here to check out the next video. This has been my heavy-duty bumper install on the Can-Am Defender. Ride safe.